sagging, bouncing, or uneven floors? Standing water or high humidity, nasty odors, or dangerous mold? Crawl space problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition. This is for Friday, the 11th of March. I'm James Spann. We've got some wild weather swings coming up. Highs in the 70s today. Snow after midnight tonight. Parts of the state now under a winter storm warning. How about that? Let's take a look at things and talk about it. This is the upper air look across the country early this morning. We have troughing north and west of the state that will be advancing in this direction, setting up that snow situation late tonight and the chance of strong storms for South Alabama. Here's the current radar. That was about 5 o'clock this morning. Had some thunderstorms in the Gulf waters south of the Florida Panhandle into parts of North Florida. Most of Alabama dry. Temperatures up this way are mostly in the upper 40s and low 50s to start the day. And again, we'll be in the 70s this afternoon. But winter storm warnings in effect now, all the way from North Alabama into parts of New England. Here's a look at the situation for Alabama. We have winter storm warnings in effect now for Marion, Winston, Franklin, Lawrence, Colbert, Lauderdale, Limestone, Morgan, Madison, and Jackson counties in North Alabama. That's where snow amounts could exceed 2 inches. Winter weather advisories now as far south as Sumter, Greene, Hale, Bibb, Shelby, Talladega, Clay, and Cleburne counties. And points north and the other counties to the south, that is a freeze warning for the very cold air we'll see early Sunday morning. And again, much more on the snow here in just a moment. Let's talk about the severe weather problem first. This is the severe weather outlook for the rest of today and tonight. In Alabama, we have the standard slight risk, level 2 out of 5, south of a line from near Millry to Prattville to Roanoke. The area is in yellow. That's where the main chance of tornado activity will be. We've got a marginal risk, level 1 out of 5, as far north as Demopolis, Helena, and Jacksonville. And storms in that darker green zone could produce some strong straight-line winds late tonight. But again, the main tornado threat will be over south and southeast Alabama. And again, more on this in modeling in just a moment. Tomorrow, the risk shifts to the east along the Atlantic coast. And on day 3, Sunday, we're in very cold air, no thunderstorms across the country. Here's the QPF, the rain for the next 7 days. In Alabama, the amount's mostly between 1 and 2 inches between now and Friday morning of next week. So model fans, let's go. Here's the GFS. This is the 06E run, valid today at 3. Again, troughing approaching. Much of the day will be dry, maybe a few showers this morning in South Alabama, maybe a couple of isolated showers this afternoon for the northern half of the state. This is the projected radar this evening at 6 o'clock coming off the high-res NAM. And again, we're going to be in the 70s today. It will feel just like it ought to feel here in March, but notice that band of snow north and west of the state. Midnight tonight, rain over much of the state, and at that point we could see some strong, maybe severe storms over south and southeast Alabama. Be weather aware if you're in that part of the state. And then up to the north, rain changing to snow at midnight. The snow line near Huntsville down to about Winfield. We'll go to 3 a.m. Snow should be falling for Tuscaloosa, Birmingham, Anniston, Gadsden, and points north. And then by 6 o'clock, still some lingering snow east of I-65. The snow should be out of the state by 7 or 8 o'clock tomorrow morning. So how much will fall? This is coming from the national blend of models, and the numbers keep moving up. And you can see now the NBM has amounts between 2 and 4 inches in that winter storm warning area over North Alabama. And then to the south, amounts about a half inch for Tuscaloosa, Birmingham, Anniston. And the snow accumulation will be mostly in the grass, but temperature's going to plunge up in North Alabama, and we could see icing not only on bridges, but also on blacktop roads in the winter storm warning area. And travel could be a big mess tomorrow morning, so be aware of that. But again, there could be some patchy bridge icing as far south as Interstate 20 early tomorrow morning. This is the Winter Storm Severity Index, a newer product from the National Weather Service, and you can see moderate impacts up in that winter storm warning area. So be weather aware tonight for the chance of strong to severe storms for southeast Alabama and snow for North Alabama after midnight. It's going to be a pretty wild night tonight. Then tomorrow it's going to be awfully cold. We stay in the 30s all day over North Alabama with a very icy north wind. The wind chill index will be around freezing. The sky will be sunny, though, much of the day. And then Sunday, during the morning, the bottom's going to drop out. Now, Sunday will be a sunny day. The high will be in the 50s. But Sunday morning, many places over North Alabama will be in the upper teens. Low 20s for Tuscaloosa and Birmingham. A very significant late-season freeze. So, again, growers are aware of this, and they will do what they need to do to take care of their crop. Monday, we're dry and warmer. Highs go back in the 60s. Then a wave comes in Tuesday, an upper trough with a good chance of showers will be in the 60s. Showers could linger into Wednesday, especially Wednesday morning. We'll be well up in the 60s. Then Thursday, we're dry, and we go in the 70s. Should be a nice day. Then a week from today, Friday the 18th, troughing north and west of the state, a surface low that is over Illinois, and that looks like a good round of showers and thunderstorms, and there will be some instability involved. So there might be a round of strong to severe storms at the end of next week, a week from today on Friday the 18th. We'll go out 10 days. This is Sunday the 20th, troughing well to the west, and we are dry. Looks like that weekend, the 19th and the 20th, should be dry and pleasant for the state. Rain for Birmingham off the European ensemble, the mean around 3 inches between now and the 25th of March. And look at that, 71 today, 39 tomorrow. For Birmingham, the NBM has a low of 22 Sunday morning. Many spots north of Birmingham will be in the upper teens, and then we bounce right back with 70s toward the end of next week. And the latest CPC guidance, March 18th through the 24th, temperatures around here and for much of the contiguous United States will likely be above average. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3 o'clock this afternoon. You can catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Cracks in brick, cracks in block? Call Alabama Professional Services. Leaning or bowing basement walls? Call APS. Sticking windows or doors? Call APS. Settling or sinking foundation? That's right. Call APS. It's a fact. Foundation problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS. Call Alabama Professional Services today.